Hello everyone and welcome to Masteriyo Tutorials, and today in this video we'll go through the Masteriyo's Gradebook add-on and learn how it works and how you can use it to grade your students. You might be wondering, what is a Gradebook add-on? Well, the Gradebook in Masteriyo is a digital tool that allows educators to record, track and manage student grades and performance. To use this, first let's activate the add-on. So go to Masteriyo, Add-ons, and search Gradebook, and activate the add-on. After the add-on is activated, the Gradebook page will show up. If it doesn't, just click refresh. Now let's go to Gradebook page. Here you can see there are two sections, Results and Grade Builder. So let's add grades first. Click on Grade Builder and click on Import Demo Data. Upon clicking on the button, the default grades will be added automatically. The students scoring between 97 and 100% will be graded as A+, the students scoring between 93 and 96 will be graded as A, and so on. You can click on the Edit button and change the range, as well as the name, point, and color, and update. Now let's move to Results section. The results are calculated automatically after the student completes the course. And it is also automatically updated if the course gets updated or the students retakes the course. Right now the results are empty because no students has gone through a course yet. Before that, let's set up a few more things in our course builder page. So go to courses, and here we have our example course. So click on edit and go to builder. And here you can see there are 3 chapters, each containing different lessons and tests. So let's edit our test. Go to questions and click on the first question. So here we have 2 questions. So either I can give 50 points to each to make it 100 or 25 to make it a total of 50. But it doesn't have to be like that. You can give any number of points, and if you open the settings tab and hit on auto calculate, it will automatically calculate the total points for you. On the settings, you can also set the pass points, duration, attempt limitations, and most importantly, quiz weight. The quiz weight determines how important or greater value the particular quiz section is compared to other quizzes. We will get into details about this later, but for now, let's click on update and let's get back to the builder. You can add quizzes by clicking on this Add New Content button, then Add New Quiz. Let's give it a name and add new quiz. Now let's add new question. Click on this button, and here you can choose different question types. With Masteriyo, you can choose a wide range of question types like true or false, single choice, multiple choice, text answer, and many more. Let's write down our questions and the correct answer and set points. And update. On the top right corner, you can see 2 buttons. Either you can duplicate the question or delete the question. And down here, you can click on Add New Question to, add a question. And always make sure that you press update after you make changes to a question, and don't get confused between the quiz setting options and the course setting options. Click on Settings, Auto Calculate, set the pass points, and let's set our rate. And update. So once the course is published and your student completes the course, now the results will be up in the results section. Here you can quickly see the name, course information, creation date, final percent, and final grade. Click on View to see more details. On the overview, you can see how the weights of each quizzes affect the final result. So let's understand how the weight and point system works. It's pretty simple. The earned percentage is multiplied by the respective weight. Now sum up the total weight and the total weight score, and divide the total weight score by the total weight, and thus the student's final grade. And this is how you can use Masteriyo's Gradebook add-on to track and manage students' performance. Thank you so much for watching.